What's up, YouTube world? Welcome back, subscriber family. To new people who are visiting my channel for the first time and this is the first video that you're seeing, welcome to my channel and welcome to this tutorial. So today's tutorial is obviously inspired by 90s. Basically the glasses and a dark lipstick. Like if you've ever seen The Best Man, I love all of Nia Long's makeup looks because she had the dark lip and you know, it's just popping. I don't think that movie came out in the 90s, but it is inspired by like that as well. I'm calling it 90s theme because I'm a 90s baby and I was born in the 90s, and brown lipstick was still relevant in the 90s. But I just want to come to you really quickly to show that it is possible to do your makeup in 30 minutes. Now, for anyone who knows me, knows it takes me like a good hour and 15 to a good hour and 30 minutes to do my makeup, especially when I do an extravagant eyeshadow look. My eyes are my favorite feature and I love to just experiment and make them pop and do everything that I can to make them, you know, stand out. The face, you know, I like my face to look nice, but it's always about the eyes for me. And so to actually downplay that, you know, I was actually surprised and pleased with it. Like, I've worn this look before, but I wanted to go ahead and record it for you guys to see. I didn't include the eyebrows because I already have an eyebrow tutorial up, so you can check that out. Had I included the eyebrows, it probably would have been like 35 minutes max. I also wanted to point out one of my new favorite go-to drugstore foundations, because y'all know that I typically do not wear drugstore foundations because I feel like I don't get the coverage that I want. Like, it looks really good on camera, and now that everything is added and you know I got setting spray and highlight and contour and all that, it looks really good. But I use the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade 11 Amber. Now I am super duper pleased with this foundation. I was just like, I was asleep. Like, I bought this like when it first came out and I was just not impressed, and I don't know if it's because I used the wrong shade. I don't remember because I bought two. I bought 10 golden and 11 amber, but I picked it up some Sundays ago and I was just like, I've been asleep. Like, where have I been? So I started back using this and I absolutely love it. It retails for anywhere between 10 and 13, 14 bucks. So if you can get your hands on it, go ahead and do that. Now I had to order mine online because they've been leaving the woman of color hanging, you know, with not having our shades in the store. Walgreens, CVS, all y'all, I'm calling y'all out. I should be able to go into the store and get my shade. Like, I don't understand, but you know, who are me to judge? But anyway, yeah, so I highly recommend this foundation for like an everyday look, for on-the-go makeup. Even if you want to go full glam, that is doable because I have done that with this foundation. So I'm gonna stop rambling now and let you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for 250 subscribers. Like, oh my god, I was so excited, and you know, I'm just looking forward to this channel growing. It's growing a lot quicker than I thought this year. You know, my main goal is to just be consistent with you guys and give you guys things you would like to see, and give you things that are obviously entertaining and that you like to watch, that are helpful, etc, etc. So thank you for all the love and support. If you have not subscribed yet and you've been watching me faithfully, why you ain't subscribed? I'm gonna need for you to hit that subscribe button. I want you to be a part of my family, and I love all my subscribers, and I just want this channel to continue to grow. And so I think that's fair enough. You know, it's free. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and then you get videos at least once a week. I try, that's what I strive for. So I'm done rambling. Thank you for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check out my Valentine's Day look, and I will leave links in the description box and everything like that. So yeah, I hope to catch you guys in the next video.
Thank you. Coming toward the light. 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 Looking for somebody I can call to. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me this